before. Okay. Hi.
Hello.
Okay. Today, we are at... Saan pa tayo, ate?
Geringer.
Geringer, Norway. Okay, Geringer, Norway.
Ano lang naman ang ulan pa is
Umuulan ng kaunti. We are in Norway.
anong gagawin?
Okay.
Maglakad o magbas? Magbas.
Welcome to Geringer.
Abay, makinig naman.
Tumaba na, Chan. Mataba na pala yan ako. Naka-live ito. So bad. I'm on... Naka-live yan. Okay, this is Geringer, Norway. We are in the middle of the fjords. Yun yung barko namin. Where? Maliliit?
Banje, ano yan? Tingnan mo, nilalakadan mo, matapa ka.
Thank you. When? Okay, so ano?
Magkano yung tanong kung magkano?
Geringer. Ang laki ng aming barko. I'll show you our barko. See, that is the Norwegian Prima. Yan yung barko namin. We are at Geringer. Ayan.
Mamaya pwede. Dito man.
Wow, taas ng bundok. Ayan, we're in the middle of nowhere. Ayan.
Ano, hawakan ko para maikutan ka.
Ha? Teka, kunin ko lang yung aking sunglass.
Banje, dapat naman nakikiano ka. Ito naman yung Seven Sisters daw na ano. Lagyan na namin na yung Seven Sisters?
Hindi naman...
Nakikita sa... Tingnan nyo lang. Huli ka? Banji, ano ang desisyon? Makikita lang yung Seven Seas. Sa malas ng boses namin. Hindi na kami nagtanong. Ikot na. Kahirap nang naghihintayan. Ulan eh, nandito sa palibot ng bundok. Pindutin nyo pa, itap nyo pa. Malit ang kita no, maliit. Ayan, bababa lang. Ito, dyan. Pagod na siya sabi ko sa'yo. Nilano yung kusina, mamaya nag-iilipin. Napaka. Yung maghapon kami. Live. 11 pa tayo, no? 11 days. Ito lang daw puro bundok din lang naman ng puro tubig.
Kumahilig sa bahay.
Oo nga, why? What's the point?
Wala.
Kayo ba'y mag-tour? Magkano daw?
Hindi ko nga alam. Yan lang naman, dadalhin ka lang naman dun sa dulo.
Hindi sa taas.
Parehas din. Hindi punta ka na lang sa taas ng barko. Oh, di ba? Tingnan mo. No? Dito na.
Oh, kayo.
Maliit daw dito.
Oh, so,
Sa next port.
Alison.
There's another tour thing over there.
Yeah, okay. Let's go, let's go.
Let's go ask. Yeah, just a walk. What is it sure po? Di ba? Maglakad kaya? Okay, let's go na.
Maglakad na lang.
Halika, maglakad na lang.
That at least gusto mo pumunta sa lake at saka sa mountain.
Both, 750. Pure sightseeing, 90 minutes. So that's more than an hour. 600, magkano ba yun? 600, so mga, ano, 50. Kamo na lang, ano? So that's another $50 each. Gusto mo? $50 at least.
Ano ang mga...
Wala silang mababaw. Museum lang.
Parang walang masyadong mapupuntahan, ano? Para sa...
Dadalhin ka dun sa dulo doon, tapos dyan.
Sa dulo doon.
Inaanan na natin yan.
Yes! 50! Who want to pay $50?
Ha?
50!
Pera na.
Is willing. Look, ang presyo. Ay, iyan. Dapat hindi po by boat tayo. Dapat by ano.
Land.
Oo. Kasi boat, magiging parang ganyan lang din.
Ganyan din, parang
Hindi pwede. Naka-live. Say hi! Ah, sorry. Naka-live. Oh. Okay, you go. Okay, hindi alam ang gagawin dito sa Geringer. Mahal ang tour. $50 for 1 hour and 30 minutes. Kamahal-mahal.
Na lang ang $50 dyan.
What is that? How long?
In my company, no. If you want to check for the buses, you have to go on the other side.
Magbas ka ba?
Buses at the other side. If you want to go on the boat, come to me, please.
The boat. Eh, gusto mong magpahulog.
Sa bus. Kaya nakakatakot sa
Eh, pumunta ka na lang doon sa ano, Universal.
sila lumalabas.
Oh. Diba?
Kami pumunta.
Yan, pag nasa rin, no suspense na pag sasabihin sa
Sa Universal yan, Florida?
No, dun sa may ano. Universal Studio. Universal Studio. Pumunta kaya.
Oo, saan doon?
Hindi kayo sumakay dun sa, ano? Merong bus na nag-iikot. Tapos may train pa. Ewan ko, basta yun. Dra-drop ka ng bus. Kung gusto mo.
Ba, wala yun ah.
Oh, see? Geringer Tour Bus. Okay, let's go na nga, Rod. Okay. Okay, let's go and explore the Geringer. Norway. Oh, yan. Bring your own smart car. Okay, we are here. Geringer. From above. Oh, di mag-helicopter pala to. Ayan pala, oh, yung ano, skywalk.
Ito yung
Yan ba yung sinasabi mo?
Yan yung pupunta ng bus.
mararating yan? By bus.
Saan ba yan? Pwede ka naman mag-clip doon sa barko.
Kaya nga magtanong tayo sa bus sana. Bago tayo ikot.
Okay, go.
More jackets.
Dami-daming tao. Hindi alam mo ano.
Ayun sila oh.
Okay? Okay, balik. Sa point A. Ano ba yan? Yung bus skywalk? Maganda yung skywalk nandun. Nakita ko, but I don't know how much.
So it's for all of you, 1,000 euros.
Ano yan? What is that? Is that boat? Tour?
7 to 10
Oh,
years.
how about the skywalk?
Do you offer that?
Let's do one better than.
No, how about the skywalk? You don't offer that?
Para sila yun.
Ha?
You will get every.
Basta ka nga. Okay, tingnan natin.
How are you? Reboat to the speedboat.
Speedboat naman sa Paris. Sa Paris? No, that's skywalk. Boat tours?
No, we already on the boat.
Big boat.
Yeah, so the other side.
Okay, tanungin namin yung skywalk. Okay? Hold on. Okay, that is our ship, the Norwegian Prima. Tara na Di pag one...
That's the ones with the red umbrella. I told you earlier, you didn't go over there.
Ano yan, yung skywalk?
I don't know, they're doing the excursion one. We can ask.
Okay,
I don't know what type of tour it is, but
kung 10, edi 100 ng isa.
yeah.
That's too much. Kung
It's really expensive here.
very expensive.
Because it's all local.
Nakita mo rin doon. No?
Yeah.
Pero yung skywalk maganda yata. Nakita ko doon. It's nice. Okay. We gonna find out how much. Oh, ito. Viking yan. Viking, hindi yan. Sila yung Viking, yung ship na yan. Viking. Doon daw, yeah. Doon daw. Yung ship na.
It's not the specific one, but it's
Pero mas mahal yung Viking. Kasi include lahat sa kanila. Maybe. Oh, yan. Maybe this one. Yeah, you can ask this. Ha? No, yung mga lang, nag-book ng tour sa kanila.
We have, in summertime, it's so much so. Like daylight, it's until the sun sets only.
Ay, parang yan yung Norwegian nga. Yung nag-book. Dito daw, on the other side, ito ba? Yeah, kasi yung mga confirm ng mga yan eh. Yan sa other side. Oh, yeah. You go. May habon-habon pala dito. Anong pangalan nito? Makapunta ba dun sa skywalk?
I would like to picture it. Maybe we could just sit in one.
49, napakamahal. Diyos ko. 50 na yan.
And since it was one class,
There might be discount.
Tanungin mo, kung 39, di okay na. Minus $10, bayad daw.
but now you know. Telling them.
Oh, pwede rin doon doon sa ating next stop.
If you walk here, you have to walk 15 minutes to the stop and 25 minutes to see the farm. This one is for the Fjord Center.
Yan lang ang pupuntahan niya.
Only 4 stops.
Pero tayo sa Bergen, meron ba tayong discount?
Yes.
Oh, sabihin mo, Oslo. Diba?
Yeah, we'll have to line up.
Yeah.
For 6, 1 o'clock.
Mahal. 50 din.
Yeah, so tama. 50 nga.
Lalar?
Yeah, yeah.
She's my friend. Hi. The Troll of Norway. Oh, yung ganda. This is Geringer.
Two of the stops, you still have to walk 15 minutes, one of them, and the other one 25 minutes. But it'll take you closer.
50.
How much?
Ah, very
The
okay.
original is 49 USD. But I'll ask if there's a group discount.
20.
In yesterday, the discount was like 15%.
Still a lot. Still a lot. Ano, inikot ka lang dito. Dati ito kagaling. This is the water. Dinala kami dito.
Magkano daw isa?
No, ayoko magbayad. Hindi makapag-decide kung anong tour ang kukunin. Mahal kasi 50 and above. Tara na nga No, maglakad ako. You guys go to the hapon-hapon. Mahal yan sa ako.
But you have to pay $75. Jan? The same thing.
Kasi different.
I can tell it's so tired.
But there's only 4 stops.
We didn't stay up late.
One of them you have to walk 25 minutes. I don't know if it's steep or
Yeah, marami daw ano eh. Walk. Hindi, yung ang tour na yan, maglalakad ka eh. Yung isa, di ba? Saan? Oh, yun. Lalakarin mo. Eh, dito yung stop, o kaya dyan ba? O lalakarin mo.
You go here or here, we'll go here, and then we have to walk 15 minutes.
15 minutes. Oh, hindi ka makalakad kahit mag-ano ka.
This
Maglakad.
one is flat. And then you go here, you have 25 minutes, and I have to go up.
Yeah.
So then, I'll ask about, do you want me to ask you or no?
May ano din, kahit maghapon-hapon ka, maglakad ka rin to see the place.
Kasi kung hindi tayo mag-umpisa, tayo maglalakad.
Yeah, maglakad na lang.
Walk where?
Diyan. Paikot doon.
The old man is like 5 minutes from this one.
5 minutes.
So you're not going to see anything.
So, sige kayo na lang maghapon-hapon.
That's kind of rain. That was in the car.
Yeah.
Hindi tayo dyan lang tayo, wala tayong marami.
Naintindihan mo? Okay, explain it to her. Still maglalakad ka kahit nasa bus ka.
But,
15. Yeah, farther from here. So, kayo, dito na lang ako. Next time I can go there, I hope.
Because we have the whole day.
Oo, hanggang 9:30 is the latest.
25 to go up. Miss Bayo.
Okay, sino maglalakad? Let's go. Ayun, hapon-hawa, 50 nga. Tapos to see the place that they will bring you to closer to the area na gusto nyo makita. Another 15 minutes walk kahit nakabas ka. Right? Mahirap pagka malataas ang bayan. Marami naman palang bus din eh. Oh, ako maglakad na lang.
Wala daw free bus. Wala
small city. Scary.
Nothing seems to make. Burn it, burn it.
Okay, sino maglalakad? Wala? I'm going. Oh, very busy sila doon sa stroll.
So 1 o'clock, our bus goes to 1 o'clock. He suggests we go all the way up to 4. Going now, nothing really is to see, but if we want to get home, so we want to wear
No, take pencil. But they say 2100 I'll take pencil. It's got to be.
Kaya tingnan natin.
It might differ a little bit, but around 600 in US dollars.
Sabihin mo, we bought yesterday also. Baka may discount. We bought sa friends. Pero nandyan naman, oh. Are you going to?
No, that's just saying to buy
Huwag na lang, maliit na lang.
buy tickets for the next
No,
city, you have 30% off.
Kayo mo.
If you buy tickets today for the next city, like Odyssey, when you're going to be in tomorrow, you get 30% off.
Ano bang makikita doon sa ano? Ano ba yung next ano natin? Ay, Alice Inside? Okay.
In Corner is going to be around 6,200.
How much to US?
617.
US is 600. It's 10%. For how many people? 14. 6. Okay na. Diba? Tingnan mo na.
For this wall,
Magkano ang isa? Meron ka mga phone? Natin na yung phone mo?
no. You mean the waterfall? This one?
No, yung
No,
lang
it's the
ano.
stairs. But you're walking downstairs. It's about 300 steps.
14 ba tayo? Oh, yeah, yung dalawa natin. Natin na yung phone mo. Calculate ko lang.
A little bit. It's not very steep.
Hindi rin makakalakad.
This one is stairs to the waterfall.
Can we see the skywalk?
No, the skywalk is further up. It's on top of those people. We only go into freedom circuit. This is about 320 meters above sea level. Daus Nimba is 1,500. It takes 1 hour to walk there.
Bay, okay na yun. Tanungin mo sa kanila kung 600 US. Pwede na yun. For 14 people.
Kasama yung boat round.
Hindi, ngayon lang.
Here, we can get on a bus to go there.
Yes, there's a bus every 30 minutes and tickets for the whole day. So we can go in bus to rent.
And if we buy also for tomorrow, you give us 30%.
Yes.
Oh, sige.
You want me to ask them?
Oo. Magkano ang isa? For 14? Wala nga ako yung ano. Ano mo ba?
Where's the possibly
17. 44 each.
Malapit pa rin. Ah. Parang yung ano natin. Bagay pwede na. Sige, sige. Okay, okay. Ako na.
Wait, let me. You have to pause them.
Yeah. You ask them. 44 ka mo. Yes, you need to confirm. Ang hirap naman pag mahal yung tour. Hindi makapag-decide. Oh. Tutor ko na lang kayo dito. Ang taas-taas talaga na. Mga bundok dito. No. She knows. 45 ka mo. That's it.
Tomorrow, you know, there's some as well. Here,
This one is it. Oh, sorry.
suggestion, if we get tomorrow when you go there, go to the guys, they're going to give you a discount.
Oh, yan yung ano, bukas diyan kami. Okay na? Ano? Okay, magcha-charge muna ng battery. Na ubusan na. I will sign off for now. Thank you.